Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the second lecture, Introduction to the Cybercrime. In this lecture, we are going to the terms cybercrime, information security, and who are the cyber criminals. But before going to these terms, we are seeing a scenario how the cybercrime will be happen and how the cybercrime will be created. Consider a scenario. Samira visits a cyber cafe to take a print out of her work related document from her mail. While printout is processing, she assesses her social media profile and check another emails. As soon as the printout are ready, she rushes and collect it. We can see in a picture, when the printout is ready, he will be fastly move toward the print to collect this printouts. She closed the browser window without logging out of the account and leaves the cyber cafe. After 2 hours, Samira receives a notification that the password of the social media account has been reset. She tries to check her social media account from mobile, but it is unable to access. In second picture, Samira gets a call from her boss that state that the confidential project documents were leaked on the internet by her. She again receives call from her friend saying that her social media pages show offenses, images and videos. Samira lost her job due to the leaking of the project documents. Moreover, she is ashamed that her photo and offensive images posted on social media. She regrets that her did not log out her social media account. Samira decided to report incident to the police station. The inspector investigated the matter and arrested the culprits. So, in this scenario, we can observe that Samira is a hard worker employee. He go to the cyber cafe and to take the print, he accesses his email from the cyber cafe, and while the printout is ongoing, at some time he will be access his social media like Facebook, Twitter through the cyber cafe, and another also check the another emails. At that time, he rushedly take a printout and without log out from the cyber cafe, from his social media accounts and email, it will be take out. And that time, person will be take his password and another activities and uploaded offenses, photos and videos on her social media that will be like created a shame to the Samira, as well as the project information is also leaked, so he will be lost. So this is a cyber crime which will be happen due to the in behavior of a Samira, or we can say that this is the do not take care properly log out from his social media account as well as the email account. Someone will be taking his identity and use his account, misuse his account and create it. So, why cyber security awareness is important? From the scenario, we can hear that why cyber security awareness program or cyber security is very important. Advanced technology have changed the modern way of life. The internet provides with many benefits, be it communicating with the friends, searching for the information, doing the banking transaction, available online services, finding the jobs, finding the life partner, or even running the entire business. The internet touches almost all aspects of our lives. However, it also makes the vulnerable to the wide range of threats. A new and powerful cyber attack are striking internet regularly. A minor lapse in managing our digital lives can open the door to the cyber criminals. Cyber criminal can steal our money or damage our reputation. According to the study by a leading industry research organization, 90% of the cyber attacks are caused by the human negligence. Therefore, the cyber security awareness is very important our day-to-day life or today. We must vigilant while making the use of technology and reduce the risk of cyber threats. Cyber security can be defined as cyber security means the protecting information, equipment, devices, computer resources, communication devices, and the information stored therein from the unauthorized access, use, disclosure, distribution, and modification or destruction. That is called as cyber security. Again, one more definition of cyber security. Cyber security is a potential activity by which the information and other communication system are protected from or defended against the unauthorized use or modification or exploitation of even theft. Now we can define who are the cyber criminals. Cyber criminals are the individual or it may be team of people who use the technology to commit the malicious activity on digital system or network with the intention of stealing sensitive company information or personal data and generating profit. So the cyber criminals are the individual person or group of person which are steal the information, sensitive information of company or personal data. The main purpose of that individual or the team of people to generating the profit. That is called as cyber criminals. Categories of the cyber criminals are classified into three types. Type 1, the cyber criminals hungry for the recognition. The examples: hobby hackers, IT professional, politically motivated hackers, terrorist organization. These are the cyber criminals in type 1 which are hungry for the recognition. Second type of cyber criminals, the criminals are not interested for the recognition. Physiological perverts, financially motivated hackers, state sponsored hacking, unorganized criminals. These are the examples. Type 2 cyber criminals which are not interested in a recognition. Then type 3, the cyber criminals which are insiders. Example: former employee seeking the revenge, competing companies using the employee to gain economic advantage through the damage or theft. So this is the type third, which are the cyber criminals are working for the organization or some persons which or some employees which are take a revenue from the companies or organization. That type of criminals are called as a type 3 cyber criminals, which is the insider. So in this lecture we are importance of the cyber security, then few definitions of a cyber security, then we three types of cyber criminals. Type 1 which are very interested in recognition, type 2 which are not interested in recognition, and type 3 these are insiders. Thank you.